What's going on, guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Christine. I'm the owner of Tiny House of Vintage, and today I wanted to show you my photo setup on what I use to take my pictures for my listings on Poshmark and eBay. I do not edit my photos, so lighting and a nice backdrop is key. I also don't use my phone to take photos. I use my camera, so I'm going to show you all that. So let's go check it out. So this is my photo setup. I do have the white background, which is recommended, but I like the brick. But you can either get the brick, you can get like just a white sheet, I recommend. Anything that's white. And then if you don't want to tape it to the wall or whatever, you get one of these backdrop poles. And then I get these clips too. So this is my photo setup with the lights off. So just wanted to show you how it looks. So I use these Limo Studio light boxes. They diffuse. I think they're 700 watt. I'll link them, the exact ones that I use down below. But I've tried other light boxes that are cheaper, hoping that that would work, but it doesn't. I find that the Limo Studio light boxes is the only ones that I have found in the past, I don't know, like five years to work well. So I use one that's set like this, that's lower, facing my mannequin, and then I use two Limo Studio light boxes up top, and I have them pointing down to the mannequin. And here's another one. And then another thing that I highly recommend is a Diva ring light. It's the Stellar ring light. It's the 18-inch Diva ring light. I've been using this for about 3 years, and I highly recommend these. But I know a lot I've been seeing on Instagram, especially like a lot of people just have the Diva ring light, and that's not going to make your photos very bright. You're gonna have to edit your photos. I do not like editing photos. It's a lot of work, so I just would really recommend more light boxes. So another staple in my photography setup for my listings is I use mannequins. These mannequins are no longer available. I haven't been able to find them on the website because I wanted to replace them. But I'm going to upgrade my mannequins soon when they come back in stock. And when I get them, I will do another video to show you. But these are the ones that I use. I can't model my clothes, so this is my next best option. So these are my mannequins, and each of them are a different size. Like this is a size 2-4, this is a size 14-16, 18-20. And this is my 10-12 mannequin with this dress on it. Another thing that I use when I'm photographing is this stand. It's just an adjustable stand, and you can hang a hanger on it if you choose. Like if you don't want to go the mannequin route, this is another option that you can have. And I also have this mannequin. So anything that doesn't fit on my mannequins, I will use this because it's like a 0 mannequin size. Photographing for a long period of time is one of these rolling desks. It's like a laptop desk. If I can find it, I'll link it below. But I also like to take my measurements on this table, and I use this every day, and it was a great investment. Another thing that I use when I photograph is a rolling rack. I have a bunch of them. I just put the ones that I'm going to photograph on this. Makes it easier to steam everything. And then I just take it off the hanger and put on my mannequin. I do photograph everything, and I use a camera with a flash. I do not edit my photos, so this is very, very key to getting great photos. You can check out my Poshmark closet and see how my photos look. I do not edit, so this makes my life really easy. I do recommend getting a nice camera. This is the Sony. It's a 5100. Leave a link to this below. I am recording this video on the same camera I have 2 of these cameras and I love them. So I recommend this camera, or any photography camera that can have a flash to take your photos. So to give you an idea of the lighting situation, this is what it looks like when the lights are not on. I'm going to turn the lights on for you to show you how bright they are. So let's show you that. This is what it looks like when the lights are turned on. I'm going to show you a photo of how it looks when it's cropped and ready for my eBay and Poshmark listings. That is everything that I used for my photo setup. I will leave a link to all the stuff that I use down below in the description, so make sure you check that out. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below, and I would really appreciate it if you'd like this video, and if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. I hope you have a wonderful day, guys. Bye!